Is it real or is it fake? Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy, the window expert. Thanks for watching this video. Today I'm talking about Infinity from Marvin EverWood. You say, Jeff, what the heck is EverWood? It's exactly what it sounds like. It's wood that'll last forever. This is not real wood. Does it look like real wood? Yes, it looks like real wood. Does it feel like real wood? Yes, it feels like real wood. Does it taste like real? I'm not going to taste it. Well, I did taste it earlier. It's really good, by the way. It's got that sort of grainy texture to it, just like you would see in real wood, but it's not real wood. In fact, if you look at it closely, you can see just how tiny it is. I bet that's like a 64th of an inch thick. That is an overlay that's applied to the Infinity from Marvin fiberglass product when you need wood on the inside of your home. You say, well, Jeff, who would need wood on the inside of their home? Well, I did. In fact, I replaced 3 windows in my own house with this exact product. In fact, I've got a video. You can watch this video right here. It's pretty cool. And it actually gives me the benefit of having all the warmth and beauty of real wood without the drawbacks of real wood. As you can see in this video I made, like I've swapped my windows out in my house, those 3 windows, because they were real wood windows that had failed. They started to rot. They were like 15 years old, started to rot. I had problems with them. And I just had to put in a new window. So what did I want? I wanted the best window I could get. I wanted a nice, durable, impervious to the weather product on the outside. And we all know that fiberglass is the future of windows, right? Like I made a video about that. You should really check it out. This stuff has an acrylic finish on the outside. It's going to last forever and forever. But if I need a wood interior because I want to be able to stain this or paint this, I could paint my fiberglass, but I couldn't stain it and make it look right. And so for my application, maybe for your application, you might buy a whole house full of windows, right? Like in this example here, you can see that we have this beautiful black fiberglass window. Here's sort of a cream colored fiberglass window. And maybe you've got windows like that all over the inside of your house, but you have 1 room or 2 rooms or 3 rooms where you really need a stain. That's what you could get a product like this, because this could be stained. Or if you have a custom color, like, okay, an example in my office, right? We had this really cool green color. I needed to be able to paint this window when I got done with it. And I still wanted to see that grain texture behind there. So EverWood can do that for me. EverWood is a polymer, it's a composite, and it's overlaid onto this fiberglass, which is very, very durable. And so now I get the beauty and benefit of wood, but I don't get rot. I don't have the expansion and contraction I get out of wood. I don't have the issue with termites or bugs that you're going to get with wood. And what I like about it too is it doesn't swell and expand and contract like real wood does. So if I have a door like this one, for example, with EverWood, it's going to be better than real wood, because real wood on a door like this, as you get a lot of rain in the seasons like we do down here in Houston, right, then you're going to possibly have this door that kind of binds and it pinches, and you can see daylight coming through it when it's been dry because the wood shrunk. And that's why you get the benefit of fiberglass with the beauty of wood. In fact, this little demonstration you see over here is a fish tank, right? We can fill this thing with water. We can put this in here. Moisture, no problem. In fact, you could take an EverWood product, you could put it in a swimming pool, pull it out in a year. I wouldn't recommend you do it. And you can let it dry off. You can install it in your house. You could come back in and paint it or stain it, and it'd be just fine. It's a really great product. It's very durable. I think you're going to like it. Now, one word of thought, caution, advice, because you're like, Jeff, I know your channel. I know you always tell me what I need to know. One thing you should know about this product is that since it is a composite, if you did have real wood trim next to it and you go to stain this and you stain that, that's going to be different. It's going to take the stain differently. And so there's a chance that it may not match exactly to, say, a real vertical grain Douglas fir right next door. So what I would do in that case is when you buy this window, get a sample of it, like this sample I have here, right? Ask your Infinity dealer to get you a sample of wood, EverWood, so that you could go ahead and practice your stain. You could decide how to dilute the stain or how much stain or how many passes you need, so that you end up creating the stain look that you want that's going to match the existing stain that you might have on the trim near your window. So other than that little caveat, sort of that like work around and figure that out, dude, you're gonna love the Infinity from Marvin EverWood products. I like them. I think they're great. If you're looking for a dealer that sells this product, I've got a list of them. In fact, there's a special offer on a website called buyinfinity.com. Go check that out. If you live in the Houston area, I'd love to show you our product line. If you live in DFW, Dallas-Fort Worth, we also have a location there. Please let me know how I can be of help. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.